Opening the GoodBeing Box. Here we go. So the first thing I see is a card. How you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. That's awesome. And then you got some special member only offers. Alright, so Ursa Major. Oh, I love this brand. So this is the essential 4-in-1 face wipes. EVOLVh. Oh, I love this stuff. So this is the ultimate styling lotion. And it says does it all. So this is luxury natural hair care with some awesome ingredients that are non-toxic. And now we have Delia Organics. This is the Dose of C Serum. So this is all natural skin therapy. Next we have Sade Baron Fresh Luxe Mist. So it's to refresh and hydrate. And of course it's cruelty free. You can recycle it. Has a bunny sign on it. So I can't wait to try this out. Next we have Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. So broad spectrum SPF 30 infused with peptides and vitamins C and E. So this is great to protect you from blue light radiation. It says vegan for all skin types, oil and silicone free. So that's pretty good. You definitely want to put some of that on to protect your skin from sun damage. And then last but not least, we have these little cards. It's so cool. So it says to keep this card as a reminder of the brands you love. So each card talks about the brand and the ingredients and how to use it, and gives their website and like their social media to like follow them and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. I haven't had any other subscription boxes that had something like this. So I like these little cards. You can keep them or recycle them or whatever, but they're like wallet size, so you can carry them around with you if you want. So if you want to find this like at a store somewhere and you forgot what the name of something, you can kind of refer to these. But yeah, that was the GoodBeing Box, and I'll share some more videos about the products themselves once I try them. Thanks for watching.